Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why graphic design is such a big deal? Let me tell you, it's more than just making things look pretty. Graphic design is a powerful form of communication that blends art and technology to share ideas, messages, and information visually. First off, let's talk about visual communication. Our brains process images way faster than text. So, good design can help communicate messages quickly and effectively. Think about how a single logo can say so much about a brand. Speaking of brands, design plays a huge role in brand identity. Logos, colors, and typography aren't just random choices. They help build and maintain a brand's image, making it instantly recognizable. But graphic design isn't just about brands, it's also about creativity and expression. Designers get to explore different styles and techniques to create unique and engaging visuals. It's a fantastic way to express yourself artistically. And let's not forget problem solving. At its core, graphic design is about finding solutions. Whether it's figuring out the best way to present information or creating a campaign that grabs attention, design is all about solving problems. Graphic design can even influence culture and social movements. Think about iconic posters or impactful ad campaigns. They shape the way we think and interact with the world around us. In a crowded marketplace, quality design can set products and services apart. It attracts customers and builds loyalty. And in the digital world, graphic design is crucial for user experience. Great design makes interactions with websites and apps intuitive and enjoyable. So, if you're interested in diving into the world of graphic design, check out Pentasoft Animation Academy. It's a journey worth taking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.